So what do I do now?
Just look beautiful. That should be easy.
Oh, Jimmy, I feel silly. Come sit next to me.
Well, I'm going to do more than say.
You pervert. Not on camera.
Oh, come on, Sally. This is just for you and me.
Ew, Jimmy, did you fart?
Wasn't me. Now, where were we?
Can you believe even the local news wouldn't run this footage? This is some of the strongest evidence I've ever seen.
I know, Mr. Tom, but people today are more worried about war, inflation, gas prices. They don't believe in monsters anymore.
This is no monster, TA. But who's to say it's not as smart as we? Doesn't possess the full spectrum of emotions that any man or woman has.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to...
It's all right. That's why we must find it, study it. The world needs to understand the Sasquatch. You mean Bigfoot? Professor, I realize you refuse to believe in the Sasquatch, but look, this is visible proof.
A guy dressed in a monkey suit is scientific evidence? It doesn't take much to fool you Canucks.
But there were footprints all over the campsite, 50 centimeters long.
So a guy dressed in a suit can't make fake footprints too? Really, Tom, I'm disappointed.
Professor, this is just the latest sighting. But the Sasquatch has been around longer than any of us, longer than the first Indian tribes. Only now we're closing in on his last sanctuary. And it's now that we must find out exactly what he is before we obliterate him completely.
Jesus Christ. Why didn't I teach biology at Duke?
You mean Bigfoot?
Yes, it was the Sasquatch, and not just some fluke sighting. This was an attack.
That poor woman, when they found her, she was in a state of total shock. They could barely understand what she was saying.
Oh, really? I find that hard to believe.
Kill that beast! It must be stopped! Kill that! It must be stopped! What is this? Don't you people have any police? Mounties or something?
Professor, these people are scared. Can't you tell us anything about this monster?
It's not a monster, and it's probably just as scared of us as we are of it.
It is Sasquatch, and it is a monster. I will find it for you, but it won't be easy. It will be to the share. $1,000. For that you get the whole beast, from its scalp to its tootsies.
Is that Canadian dollars?
Wait, we can't just kill it. We have to study it.
Study it, eh? I'll tell you all you need to know. It was 1963. Me and some other fellows were trapping in Cheakamus Canyon when we decided to put down for the night. We went to the miner's cabin. In the middle of the night, the dogs with us began to howl and scream bloody murder. And then something started smashing into the roof, like hell, only louder, like boulders. The dogs were screaming, the men were screaming. It got so loud you couldn't hear someone right next to you. And then it stops. Not a sound. Nothing. None of us so much as blink until the morning. When we look outside the morning, there are boulders all over the roof around the house. But the dogs were nowhere to be found. That's what you're looking for, monsieur. A killer. No doubt about it.
Listen, just take me with you. Maybe we could try to communicate with it before you have to...
I'm coming too.
Come if you want. Just do not get in my way when the shooting starts.
I think I'll stay here. You kids have fun with your Bigfoot.